Okay, house tour. This is the hallway and this is the bedroom. And here we have balcony. I can't wait to clean these. Here we have kitchen. Yes, and here's the toilet. Nice. I don't know what we have in here, but I like this. I really like it.
Hi, I'm Auri Katarina and I deep clean my followers' homes for free. Guys, look at this. I'm in heaven. This is amazing. This is like this is heaven for me. I'm going to transform this apartment like completely. If you wanna see that, please keep watching. Woo. This is funny. Oh god. It smells really bad. Oh god. Okay, here I have drain opener. This is going to burn all the organic things. Look! It's working! It works really well. Did you know that you can use this? Voila! Now it works! I'm using Steel Daddy because it's much harder. It smells pretty bad, but I don't mind. There's some mold in there. Love it! Oops! Oh god, there is a lot of toothpaste. Ooh, surprise, surprise! Surprise, surprise! I don't know what this is, but it smells good, of course. I'm the world's best cleaner and this person needs help, so this is like win-win situation. And I'm having so much fun in here. Oh my god, it's cucumber! This is so cool! It's yellow! And now it's on top of me. Bye bye, cucumber! Now it's empty, so I can walk here. Woo! But I'm using so much chemicals chemicals, so I don't really smell anything. So if I'm smelling something, it's really bad. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. These are trash. Look! This is super cute. Okay, this is the day 2, and now I'm going to reorganize these cabinets. Look at this. It's marked. It's like my name. And there's a lot of dried grease on there, so I'm just gonna scrape it. You know, this is really common problem in a household. To the IKEA. Oh, I bought these boxes, and the boxes goes there. Look! Voila! It's so handy. It took me 4 days. And I love every minute of it. I started here at Monday and now it's Thursday, so voila! This was definitely the best cleaning ever. Because usually I have only 1 day time to clean, but now I have 4. cheers for that. Finnish company called Sinituote sent me one of their products. I was thinking that this girl needs them more than me. So I'm leaving her dish brushes, microfiber towel, also this. So she can wipe the floors. I hope this is a fresh new start for her, and that makes me really happy. But yeah, it was super fun, super easy. See you on next video. Bye bye.